We go to concerns now about the impact of violence on children in some communities. The West Kingston Police Division has been experiencing frequent and sporadic shootings, and there are fears that children may get caught in the crossfire. Details in this report.
The Kingston West Police Division has been plagued by crime and violence for decades. Since the start of the year, almost all communities within the area have experienced a flare-up in murders and shootings, from Rosetown to Federal Gardens, to Arnett Gardens, Tivoli and Denham Town. The police say they've had at least one major issue to deal with: children, who seemingly have a front row seat to the violence because of the closure of schools.
We believe that if the children were basically in school, they would get better participation and access to the things that are available. But it's a call for the Ministry of Education to make, and we will do whatsoever dictated by that particular ministry. But if you should ask me my preference, I would really want to see them back in school.
Commanding officer for the Kingston West Division, Michael Phipps, says a curfew monitoring program is in place to ensure children are off the streets during school hours. But it's also to minimize their exposure to the frequent and sporadic shootings across the division. There have been reports of children becoming spotters, gun bags, a term used for people who carry illegal items for gunmen, and in more serious instances, actual hitters.
I've seen instances where we have had children who are victims of crime. We have seen also where children have been perpetrating criminal acts.
District Constable Michelle Marsh from the Community Safety and Security Branch manages a mentorship program for 45 youth at risk in the division.
We realize that Denham Town gangs and the Tivoli Garden gangs is using these young men, but we try to work along with them. Presently, I'm trying to get some mentors for them to show them on the other side, because they only know it within the Denham Town and Tivoli.
We spoke with one of the participants.
Actually, I get to meet new friends. Yeah. Auntie Michelle also helped me to be confident.
Constable Marsh explains that for children here, education is the way out of poverty. But as she explains, the program is now in limbo.
The truth is, we need some financial support and we need some mentors, because some of them don't have it. So they decide for the gangs to give them $1, and the gang utilize them to do different things.
But as the police figure out their next move, they're appealing to residents to be mindful of children and the domino effect crime has on the kids. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.